DIY Plant Propagation Techniques. Welcome to the Plant Care channel, where we dive into all things green and growing. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of plant propagation with DIY techniques that will have you multiplying your plant collection in no time. From simple steps to creative hacks, we'll show you how to successfully grow new plants from cuttings, seeds, and divisions. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you master the art of propagation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to support our plant-loving community. Let's get propagating. Simple techniques for propagating plants at home. When propagating plants at home, it's important to choose the right method depending on the plant species. For example, stem cuttings are a popular choice for many houseplants due to their simplicity. By taking a cutting from a healthy stem and placing it in water or soil, you can encourage the growth of roots and eventually a new plant. This technique works well for plants like pothos, philodendron, and spider plants, among others. Another commonly used method is leaf or leaf cutting propagation. With this technique, you can propagate plants like African violets, snake plants, and succulents by using a healthy leaf taken from the parent plant. By placing the leaf correctly in a suitable growing medium and ensuring proper care, new roots can develop, leading to a new plant. Leaf propagation is a great way to expand your plant collection and share plants with friends and family. For plants that produce offsets or pups, such as spider plants and aloe vera, division is a simple and effective propagation method. By separating these offsets from the parent plant and planting them in their own containers, you can encourage independent growth and ensure the health of the new plants. Division is especially useful for plants that naturally produce multiple stems or shoots, allowing you to create more plants from a single parent. Additionally, air layering is a propagation technique that works well for plants with flexible stems, such as rubber plants and dracaenas. By creating a wound on the stem and encouraging root growth in a moss-wrapped section, you can develop a new plant while still attached to the parent. Once roots have developed, you can carefully detach the new plant and pot it separately, ensuring a smooth transition to independent growth. Creative ways to multiply your plant collection. A fun and creative way to expand your plant collection is through the practice of plant propagation. One interesting method is water propagation, where you can root plant cuttings in water before transferring them to soil. This technique not only allows you to witness the root development process but also adds a decorative element to your home, as you can display your growing cuttings in water-filled vases or jars. Plants like pothos, philodendron, and mint are excellent candidates for water propagation due to their ability to develop roots in water easily. Another creative technique to multiply your plant collection is by using plantlets, also known as plant babies, produced by plants such as spider plants and aloe vera. These tiny offshoots grow naturally from the parent plant, making them an effortless way to expand your plant collection. Once the plantlet has developed roots, you can separate it from the parent and pot it on its own, creating a new plant that will continue to grow independently. Air layering is a fascinating propagation method that allows you to create new plants from existing ones without needing to remove them from their pots. This technique involves encouraging root growth on a stem while still attached to the parent plant. Once roots have formed, you can carefully detach the new plant and pot it separately. Air layering is particularly suitable for plants with thick stems, such as rubber plants and fig trees, and it offers a creative way to multiply your plant collection while maintaining the original plant's health and appearance. Lastly, seed propagation is a traditional yet rewarding way to grow new plants and enhance your collection. Collecting seeds from your existing plants or acquiring them from reputable sources allows you to witness the full life cycle of a plant, from seed to maturity. This method offers a wide variety of options for expanding your plant collection, from flowering plants to vegetables and herbs, providing you with a diverse array of plants in your indoor jungle. From cutting to division. Step-by-step propagation tips. When it comes to plant propagation, transitioning from cutting to division offers a hands-on approach to expanding your plant collection. One essential step in propagating plants from cuttings is to ensure that the cutting has at least one node. The node is where the roots will develop, so choosing a healthy stem with one or more nodes will increase the success rate of your propagation. Additionally, removing any extra leaves from the lower part of the cutting will direct the plant's energy towards root development rather than maintaining foliage. After preparing your cutting, it's crucial to use a suitable rooting medium to encourage root growth. A common rooting medium is a mixture of perlite and peat moss, which provides good aeration and moisture retention for the developing roots. Placing the cutting in a clear container or plastic bag will create a humid environment that helps prevent the cutting from drying out while roots begin to form. When propagating through division, it's essential to select a mature plant with multiple growth points or offsets that can be separated. Gently remove the plant from its pot or ground, ensuring that the roots are not damaged during the process. Using a sharp, sterile tool, divide the plant into sections, making sure each division has healthy roots and foliage to support its growth. Repot the divided sections into suitable containers with fresh potting mix to give them space to establish and thrive in their new environment. Throughout the propagation process, regular monitoring and care are crucial for successful plant growth. Keeping the newly propagated plants in a warm, well-lit area without direct sunlight will support their development. Additionally, maintaining appropriate soil moisture levels and gradually acclimating the plants to their new growing conditions will help minimize transplant shock and promote healthy growth. By following these step-by-step tips, you can confidently propagate your plants through cutting and division, expanding your plant collection while nurturing new green life. Propagation hacks to grow new plants successfully. When delving into propagation hacks to grow new plants successfully, harnessing the power of plant hormones can significantly boost your propagation endeavors. One common plant hormone used in propagation is rooting hormone, which can expedite root development in cuttings. Applying rooting hormone to the cut end of the stem before planting it in the rooting medium can enhance the chances of successful root formation and overall plant growth. Additionally, natural alternatives such as honey or aloe vera gel can also serve as rooting stimulants, tapping into nature's resources to support propagation. Another effective propagation hack involves utilizing bottom heat to create an optimal environment for root growth. Placing the propagation container on a heat mat or in a warm location can encourage faster root development, especially for plants that thrive in warmer temperatures. The gentle warmth provided by bottom heat mimics the conditions that stimulate root growth in nature, giving your cuttings a head start in establishing themselves as new plants. A clever propagation hack that many plant enthusiasts swear by is the use of a mini greenhouse or propagation box. These enclosed structures help maintain high humidity levels around the cuttings, reducing moisture loss and promoting healthy root development. Propagation boxes can be as simple as a clear plastic container placed over the cuttings or a specialized unit with built-in ventilation and humidity control. Creating a mini greenhouse effect for your cuttings can significantly increase their chances of successful propagation by providing an ideal microclimate for root formation. By incorporating these propagation hacks into your plant care routine, you can set the stage for successful propagation and grow new plants with confidence. Experimenting with plant hormones, utilizing bottom heat, and creating a mini greenhouse environment are valuable strategies to enhance the propagation process and nurture healthy, thriving plants in your home or garden. Master the art of plant propagation with these easy methods. One effective method to master the art of plant propagation is by exploring the bountiful world of stem cuttings. Stem cuttings involve taking a piece of a plant stem and encouraging it to develop roots, transforming it into a new plant. This propagation method is widely practiced due to its simplicity and versatility across a variety of plant species. By selecting a healthy parent plant, preparing a cutting with a sharp, clean tool, and providing the proper care conditions, you can propagate numerous plants successfully through stem cuttings. Another fascinating approach to plant propagation mastery lies in the realm of leaf cuttings. This method involves taking a leaf from a parent plant, treating it to promote root development, and watching as it sprouts into a new plant. Leaf cuttings are particularly popular for plants like succulents and certain houseplants, offering a straightforward way to multiply your green companions. Understanding the specific requirements of leaf cuttings, such as the angle at which the leaf is cut or the ideal rooting medium to use, can elevate your propagation skills and unlock the potential for abundant plant growth. Air layering presents another intriguing technique to incorporate into your plant propagation repertoire. This method involves creating a wound in a healthy plant stem, encouraging it to produce roots while still attached to the parent plant. Air layering is especially useful for plants that are challenging to propagate by traditional means, offering a reliable way to establish new plants from existing specimens. By mastering the art of air layering and honing your skills in creating the optimal conditions for root development, you can expand your propagation toolkit and achieve success with a wider range of plant species. DIY Plant Propagation Techniques. Ready to take your plant propagation skills to the next level? Watch more plant care videos for expert tips, creative techniques, and plant-filled inspiration. Subscribe now to join our nurturing community and give this video a thumbs up to spread the green love. Happy propagating!